Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Decoder's sixth period, seventh grade advanced academics class. I only have one class or one unit of this advanced academics, and I've taught it three other times, and it's a very fun class, very interesting. And let me tell you a little bit about the course. It's designed to offer gifted students that work full time in our gifted center challenges and tools to enhance their academic experience. We have four main priorities. First, the course is designed to strengthen the collaborative and leadership skills as we work through group projects. Second, we want to celebrate the unique and highly varied interests that students have by letting them select research projects that inspire them. Third, we want students to set meaningful goals and realistically assess their growth. And we recognize that giftedness creates challenges that are sometimes unique. We want to discuss and provide tools to help students reach their potential. So what are we going to do? Future City competition. We start the year off first with an About Me unit, and we're about to finish that off, and we're working a little bit on portfolio, but then we've got our Future City competition. Um, some may choose to work as a competition, but others might choose to just do it as a class project. It'll challenge you to research a real world problem, work out innovative solutions, and create a model city set 160 years in the future that showcases your ideas. The project tests your teamwork and leadership skills, as well as your problem solving and engineering muscle. It takes hard work and dedication to put together a winning entry and a lot of cool recyclables and hot glue. Lots of that. Independent research. A big part of the course is designed to give you a chance to explore topics and projects that excite you, as well as challenging you to hone your research and presentation skills. You're going to have the opportunity to choose a research topic and create a virtual presentation to be part of your virtual museum project. We are piloting two new units. They came into play last year, and there's actually a couple more that are new that I'm looking into those now as well. Um, One of them is exploring a pre-AP topic of government and sociology using high-level engaging curriculum, and it's designed especially for gifted learners. There's a government for Zealandia, and the other one is perspectives of power. We're going to have other creative units as well. They're fun. They're fun. They're creative, and the kids really learn a lot with those. So while being gifted can be a true blessing, we also know that it isn't always easy. We use several great books written for teenagers by people who get it to explore some of the challenges that gifted teens often face. Being able to share and discuss within our classroom community can be a great way to get through some of the rough patches we all inevitably face. Creativity and critical thinking. We don't always think of creativity as something that can be learned, but it takes training and practice to develop those skills. And we're going to be working through some interesting thought exercises to help flex those muscles throughout the year as well. Self-assessment. Setting goals and assessing progress is an important part of reaching our potential and getting where we want to be. We are building portfolios this year. They started these last year in sixth grade, and they're going to continue on in eighth grade. They're going to help them make evidence-based assessments of where they stand in relation to the 7 fundamental goals of the gifted program, which are knowledge, questioning, research, creative and critical thinking, leadership, goals, products, and performances. We'll be including elements from sixth grade this very first quarter. So keep your artifacts safe, because that's also going to happen when you're in eighth grade, that you'll do one. Um, and it's a neat way to highlight your growth and progress on gifted goals throughout this year and throughout your years at CGS. So while not set in stone, I always try to make sure that students have enough time to work in class, and I don't want this elective to be something that becomes homework. So as long as they're using their time wisely, there is plenty of time to get everything done in class. You will work hard during this course, and the work is meaningful. You do receive major grades on projects and readings and on your final portfolio. It's important to stay on top of deadlines, and it's just letting you know that it's not just a freebie elective where you come and chat. You're actually working, but you're working in a fun and very creative way. We do need folders with pockets. You might want to start collecting interesting recyclable materials for the future city model. You'll need loose leaf paper, pens or pencils, curiosity, responsibility, and organization. And I hope we will have a wonderful year together. And I know we will.